Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get the CapCut Pro on PC. So if you want to join or subscribe to the CapCut Pro on your computer, you need to make sure that you already download the app first, and then you've already signed in with your account. And then after you sign in, there will be this option to join CapCut Pro. So you can tap on that. Here you can see there's this subscription service box in here. So what you need to do next is select the plan that you want. So CapCut provides you with monthly, or you can just if you want to just use it for a month, you can use this, or there's also this annual subscription plan. And by joining the Pro, you can unlock all the benefits, including features, materials, and you can also get 100 GB cloud space storage, and you can use credits for Pro AI features. And here, after you choosing the plan, you can just tap on purchase. And now you can just proceed with the payment. Here CapCut accept credit card or debit card payment, and there's also this e-wallet that you can choose. So after you proceed with the payment, you can get your CapCut Pro. But if you want to get it for free, you can also use this option. You can just click on this invite friends, and then you can get this free Pro by only send this copy invite link, the invite link to your friends, and make sure that they install and also launch the CapCut desktop from your invite links that you shared. And after that, you and your friends can get a 7-day free Pro from CapCut. So here you can see the numbers of days of free Pro you've got, and also the friends you've invited. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.